Welcome everyone, my name is Ryan Hildreth here with Tanner Fox, and in this course we're going to show you how to make a passive income online with affiliate marketing.
Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's mainly just showing people what they're already looking for. You're driving traffic to an affiliate offer you're promoting. It can pay you anywhere from a couple of cents per click all the way up to thousands of dollars per sale. So there's different kind of offers. There's ones where you get paid per call, per email sign up, and the most common per sale you bring them. So what kind of money can you expect to make with affiliate marketing? Now that really ranges. It's not like, oh, if I have one, I should make this amount. It's very up and down. A lot of times you'll test an ad, spend $10, $20, it'll fail, you'll go try another one. So you have small little failures, and then you have a big win where a couple $100s a day for a year or two, and then so on. So you can kind of scale it up to whatever you want. There's people making millions a month doing this. There's a couple of people making hundreds a month and they're happy with that. So It's really all on you, how many you want to promote and how many you want to try.
Exactly. And Tanner and I have had good months to where we've made upwards of $20,000 per month, and we've also had months where we only made $500 to a couple $1,000s. So it's really going to depend on how much effort you put into it, but we're going to show you exactly how, step by step, to build trust and authority with the attention you're trying to grab, right? So we're going to go through stuff like creating a YouTube page, a YouTube channel, to where you can build trust on YouTube, create a review video, and promote your affiliate link to get traffic to your link and receive a commission. We're going to show you how to build authority on Facebook pages, a Facebook personal page, business pages, as well as review and blog sites, plus Instagram. Tanner and I want to ensure your success with affiliate marketing, so we're going to have exercises at the end of each module, and we're going to have very step-by-step instructions on how to build a big affiliate marketing business like we have.
Now, we are doing a Facebook group for this course. That's where we're going to answer all questions, so no emails. All questions will be answered in there. We'll be very active. And that's actually where you're going to post your answers to the exercises at the very end, kind of so you can get kind of everyone's opinion and what they're doing in the group, because you'll see their answers as well. So get ready.